What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Today, I'm going to show you how to get Windows 11 on your existing Windows 10 machine. The legal way, too. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Leslie Media and Todd M. Thank you so much for becoming channel supporters. If you want to support this channel, click on that join button below, get access to our live stream archives, and shout outs and videos like this. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is go to insider.windows.com. And this will let you register for the Insider program. I've already been a member, so it says you're already registered. So all you have to do is click on Start Flighting. Here it's going to give you the preparation and what you need to do to get started, but I'll go ahead and run you through this. Basically, open your settings and go to the Windows Insider program down here. And you're going to see you can click on Get Started. It's going to ask you to link an account, and you're going to want to link your Microsoft account. And then we can choose which channel we want to get access to. So here we could see that if we want the release preview channel, the beta channel, or the dev channel. So the dev channel is early access builds at the earliest development cycle with the newest code. The beta channel is for early adopters who actually plan to use it and have a reliable build on Microsoft. So this is the more fun one. This is the newest one that might not be stable. So I'm going to go ahead and go for the newest one right now. Click on Confirm, and then Confirm. And then it's going to restart your PC so you can get Insider builds. Let's go ahead and restart now. All right, so I have restarted my machine. So I'm going to go to Settings. And I'm going to, let's see, Windows Update, Windows Insider Program. And let's see, it says we'll now get the builds. So in Windows Update, let's click on Check for Updates. And there they are. It looks like we're downloading the Windows 11 Insider Preview, which will now be installed on this machine as soon as it finishes downloading, and we'll get to try out all the new features on a live real account. And yeah, I think this is a much safer route to use over downloading the leaked ISO, because you're getting the updates directly from Microsoft, and it's the latest, absolute latest you can get. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. What? You've never heard of Stream Savers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called Stream Savers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.